Buy and sell crypto without registration simply by bank transfer with Nimiq OASIS, the DeFi crypto fiat bridge. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin with Euro without sharing all your personal info and paying really low fees. So you go with a solution powered by OASIS. Here's how it works. 2 smart contracts are created, one for Bitcoin, and here comes the OASIS magic, one for Euro. Not sure what a smart contract is? Let's just think about them as safes. Each safe has a door to put money in and a door to take it out. The doors to the safes are connected. They constantly monitor each other and can only do one of 2 things. If both safes are filled, the doors open and release the money. If a safe is not filled in time, the doors stay shut and all money is returned. Now, back to your Bitcoin purchase. The Bitcoin are deposited first. If you pay, you are guaranteed to receive your Bitcoin. Don't trust? Check. You can find the filled, safe smart contract on the blockchain. Now it's up to you. You pay without registration simply by bank transfer. As soon as your payment is received, the doors open and the swap is complete. Buying and selling just got secure and as easy as sending a bank transfer. OASIS is already available in the Nimiq wallet. Coming soon, a standalone service that works with every wallet, a widget for third parties, and more fiat and cryptocurrencies. Visit nimiq.com/oasis and discover the new standard of buying and selling crypto.